One of the quickest way to lose confidence, it is to experience rejection, whether it's from work, a friend, a family member, or that one opportunity that you truly wanted. And what if that rejection, it is not telling you that you're not good enough? What if it's redirecting you? After rejection, do not isolate. Do not see yourself through the lenses of rejection. Failure will always give you data. Use it. Let it guide you. What is it that you can learn, improve, practice, or even unlearn? There might be certain things that we need to let go of. Use that data. And then we're going to give it a second try, but upgrade it. Because when you come back, you will not return the same person. You will be far more equipped, more knowledgeable, and confidence. It's going to be on the next level. Ngwana ko gae, ska lebala go subscribe, o efe monwana go e ratile, re tla kopana ka kwa.